In this video, I am going to show you how to view Pinterest trends. The Pinterest Trends tool offers insights into the top search terms across different regions and countries, allowing you to understand popular topics and discover trending content. Here's how to access and use Pinterest Trends. 1. Log into your Pinterest business account using a web browser. Click on the hamburger icon located in the top left corner. Under the Analytics section, you'll find the option for Trends. Click on it to access the Pinterest Trends tool. If you're on Pinterest Trends page, you'll see a directional chevron down icon below the region section at the top right corner. Click on this icon to select the region or country. After selecting the region, you'll be able to explore trending topics, search terms, and popular content specific to that region. Use the search bar or browse through the displayed data to uncover insights relevant to your audience and interests. Pinterest Trends provides a historic view of search trends, allowing you to analyze when people start searching for various keywords. Use this information to inform your content strategy and capitalize on emerging trends. Leverage the insights gained from the Pinterest Trends to create engaging and relevant content. Optimize your Pinterest strategy and stay ahead of the curve in terms of content trends and audience interests. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.